The best dollhouses for kids to buy online. A dollhouse is a great creative outlet for kids. Assembling and modifying their dollhouse lets kids immerse themselves in a world of fantasy and creativity. The best dollhouses for kids allow them to apply their imagination in decking up the dollhouse, build narratives and storylines, and hone their craft abilities. The dollhouses consist of furniture, dolls, special amenities, and detailed rooms. If you are looking to buy one, read through the list of dollhouses and features to consider. Number 1. Best Plug and Play Design. Barbie Dreamhouse Dollhouse. This Barbie dollhouse structure is 3 feet tall and 4 feet wide, has 3 levels and 8 rooms, and offers an all-angle play option. Some of the amenities include an elevator, a new home office, a garage, a pool on the 2nd story, and a slide. It has 70 components. Some have handles that allow role-playing, while plug-and-play design enables active play. Batteries. 3 AAA batteries. Required item weight: 23.6 pounds. Product dimensions: 15.5 by 49.2 and 47.2 inches. What we like: realistic sounds and actions. Fully furnished dollhouse. Working elevator. 2-in-1 functions. Includes 4 Barbie dolls. Sturdy construction. What we don't like: some may find it a bit bulky. Some parts of the dollhouse may be flimsy. Number 2. Best Interactive Experience. KidKraft Chelsea Wooden Doll Cottage. The KidKraft Chelsea Doll Cottage is a 2-foot-tall interactive dollhouse for kids with 3 floors, 5 rooms, and a balcony, including 17 furniture pieces. The children's dollhouse has working window shutters, 2 molded plastic staircases, and detailed artwork on every panel. Item weight: 14.96 pounds. Product dimensions: 25 by 13 and 28 inches. What we like: open and closed doors. Encourages pretend play. Sturdy and durable wood material. Fully furnished. Suitable for group play. What we don't like: some accessories may be less durable. Does not include dolls. Number 3. Best Design. Pidoko Kid Skylar Wooden Dollhouse. Pidoko's kid-sized dollhouse is a fun playset comprising 20 furniture pieces and 5 dolls designed as family members. It also has a pet dog figurine and comes in fun, gender-neutral colors that keep the children intrigued. Measuring 19.3 by 10.2 and 23.75 inches, the portable dollhouse for kids is compact and has a wooden make. This toy dollhouse helps in the early identification of everyday items. Item weight: 12.32 pounds. Product dimensions: 19.3 by 10.2 and 23.75 inches. What we like: sturdy and long-lasting build. One-site open play. Movable stairs. Portable. Child-safe paint. Stimulates imagination and communication. What we don't like: may have uneven drills. May not be suitable for older children. Number 4. Best Modular. Lego Duplo Town Modular Playhouse. The dollhouse with accessories helps toddlers improve their fine motor, social, and emotional skills. It includes a bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, living room, dad, mom, child, pet, teddy bear figures, and various exciting accessories. The main playhouse measures 14-inch high, 15-inch wide, and 3-inch deep. Your child can combine this set with other Lego sets. The kit has 129 pieces and is recommended for children over 2 years of age. Item weight: 2.2 pounds. Product dimensions: 14.88 by 18.9 and 5.51 inches. What we like: realistic details. Convertible to a tower house. Easy to assemble. Develops imagination. Sturdy and durable construction. Versatile pieces for more fun. What we don't like: some may find it a tad small. Number 5. Best High Quality. Melissa and Doug High-Rise Wooden Dollhouse. Suitable for children from 3 to 6 years, Melissa and Doug's open dollhouse furniture set has 3 play figures and 15 pieces of furniture. This 1:12 open-sided structure is colorfully designed and has 6 rooms, an elevator, and a garage. It is composed of durable, high-quality materials that can withstand repeated usage and play. Item weight: 18.9 pounds. Product dimensions: 13 by 23.75 and 30 inches. What we like: made of wooden material. Hand-operated elevator. Lift-open garage door. Gender-neutral colors. Suitable for group play. Easy to access. What we don't like: Furniture pieces may be slightly wobbly, may not be easy to assemble. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.